Today we're going to talk about data analytics and its importance in information tech management. This is a presentation by me, Colleen Alani. Probably thinking, what is data analysis? Data analysis is the process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data with the goal of discovering useful information, suggesting conclusions, and supporting decision-making. Types of data analysis include data analytics, data mining, and cognitive computing. Data analysis is further the process of developing answers to questions through the examination and interpretation of data. It's linked to data visualization and data dissemination as well as data modeling. Here's a picture kind of a cognitive side of data analysis and all the numbers used to make the data useful. So steps to analyzing data are identifying the issues, determining the available data or technology. You have to decide on the appropriate answer to the questions asked. Applying an evaluation method is crucial, as well as ending with the summary of the results in the process. So used in business, data analysis helps us further learn about survey results, helps us gather relevant data from projects, it gives us a grasp of financial implications, provides us help with administrative roles that include information tech management and computing systems. It allows for planning of future statistical activities for a company. Here's another picture, data analysis in that workplace. Data analytics is the science of collecting, organizing, and analyzing very large sets of data in order to identify patterns and draw conclusions. So when you decide which data you want to compare the other data, when you decide which data you want to compare, you compare this data to other data in the workplace. So basically, in data analytics, analysts in business or corporate setting work to break down the data to take crucial steps that involve converting unorganized and messy information into clean and usable knowledge for the business and corporation. So there's three different types of data analytics, and these include exploratory, which is like analyzing stats to summarize the main characteristics using like visuals and graphs. Confirmatory looks at definite answers, and it has a reliance on probability like statistical methods, so it uses a lot of p-values. And lastly, the qualitative data analysis. Basically, you're interpreting qualitative data that can be collected and investigated. So data analytics in business. Analysts focus on tools and statistical measures and can work with management. This can either be operation-wise, human resource-wise, financial-wise, accounting-wise. Allows for better overall business decisions, derives conclusions based on what is already known by researchers. So the task of a data analyst is to translate complicated data to make it understandable to management or other places in the workplace, other people in the workplace, interpreting the results of the data, testing a hypothesis and or conclusion. Here's kind of a picture of the idea light bulb with data analytics in the middle and everything around it. And the picture to the left is a graph with data analytics and numbers. Here's more pictures, big data, basically talking about analytics cloud and the devices you can use with it. And the second part of data analysis is data mining. It's the process of analyzing data from different perspectives and summarizing it into useful information. So basically, it's finding patterns in data systems and solving the problems. Data mining is used to increase revenue and cut financial costs in business or corporations. It allows technology users to analyze data from different dimensions, categorize it, as well as summarize the right relationships identified. It's the process of finding correlations or patterns among dozens of fields in large databases. Here's a picture of data mining. And lastly, out of data analysis, cognitive computing is really important because it leads to technological advances in the future, so more people will actually use cognitive computing in a business, educational, technological standpoint. The simulation of the human thought process in a computerized model. It involves self-learning systems that use data mining, pattern recognition, as well as natural language to incorporate the way our human brain works. So in the future, cognitive computing will be known to more people. More users will become familiar with cognitive computing as more technological advances come into the market. Cognitive computing systems use machine learning algorithms. And the goal of cognitive computing is to create a secondary automated technological system. So basically, kind of like an automated robot in a way that can solve problems and find solutions without human assistance. So this actually require less people do work, and electronics could help build the business more effectively, efficiently, and quickly. And that's the end of my data analysis presentation. Thank you for listening.